Hello, I'm Roger Farmer. I'm a professor of economics and the chair of the economics department at UCLA. In this series of video clips, I'd like to share with you some thoughts about the current economic crisis, how we got into it, how we can get out of it, and how we can potentially prevent similar crises from occurring again in the future. When I look at what my colleagues, other economists, are saying about the crisis, I see a deep polarization. On one hand, there's a group of economists, Keynesian economists, who think that the economy, if left to itself, can very often go very badly wrong. Those economists have been advocating large government spending programs of the kind that we've already seen in order to help us out of the crisis. Many of them are advocating even larger spending programs to prevent us getting deeper into a recession and potentially getting into a worse situation than we've already been in. On the other side, there's a group of classical economists who see the government as the problem rather than the solution. Those economists think that economic systems, if left to themselves, will quickly restore full employment. I look at the Keynesian and the classical points of view, and I see something positive in both of them. What I'd like to tell you about in these clips and in a forthcoming book from Oxford University Press called How the Economy Works, Confidence, Pressures, and Fulfilling Prophecies, is how we can take the best from both the classical and Keynesian points of view, put them together, and come up with some new policies to help us from getting into this kind of crisis again in the future. Thank you for listening.